How to locate your Gmail password if you forget it. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily view your Gmail password if you have or forgotten it. So you don't need to click on forget option or reset your password. You can just locate it if you have just forgotten it from your device. So first thing, simply head over to settings, and once you're inside your settings, just click on this Google option from over here and just select your Gmail account on which you are logging. And from over here, just click on this Google account or your manage Google account option, and just head over to your security. And once you're inside your security option over here, just scroll all the way down and now click on manage password from over here, and then you will be redirected to this page, and you just have to click on this settings, and you will see the option called import password. So you can simply tap on it and make sure you unlock your security code, and once you do all of that, your password will be imported to your particular logged in Gmail account. Or you can also view all of your password over here, and as you can see, I don't have any saved password since this is my new Gmail. You will be seeing all of your passwords over here. As you can see, it is also been showing you that you'll find all of your passwords here. So you can just click on any one of them and view it by verifying and following the on-screen instruction. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.